A fav icon or favorite icon is an icon that's associated with a website. The fav icon of a website is displayed in your browser's address bar and next to the site name in your bookmarks list. Every professional website has a fav icon. Google has recently changed their fav icon. This is Google's fav icon. The best known fav icon is possibly that of YouTube. Everyone knows this fav icon. I have already created a fav icon for this website and uploaded it. Let's see how to create a fav icon and upload it to WordPress. A fav icon is an image file that usually measures 16 pixels by 16 pixels and has the extension .ico. But WordPress also allows you to use JPEG files as well. You could easily create one with Photoshop or GIMP, and there are several ways to do this. There are several favicon generators online that let you create a favicon for free. We'll use GIMP, an open source software, to create a favicon. GIMP is a very powerful software and you can learn how to use it in just a few hours. There are several tutorials on YouTube that help you learn it. But before we create a favicon, we need to know what the size of the image should be. To know that, you would want to go to Appearance, Customize, and then click on Site Identity. Here, you can see that the theme specifies the site icon needs to be at least 512 pixels wide and 512 pixels tall. So, let's create an image in GIMP that measures 512 pixels by 512 pixels. The width and height both need to be 512. Let's now apply a gradient. We'll change the background to red and the foreground color to yellow. We'll use the blend tool to apply a gradient here. We'll now use the text tool. We'll select the text color. We need black. We'll bold this. We can increase the size right here. We'll now use the Move tool to align the letter H. We need to select the text layer. Okay. The letter is aligned now. Now, we need to export this file as a JPEG image. Choose Export As from the File menu. Select the location you want the file to be saved in, and let's set the quality to 100. We'll export. The favicon is now on the desktop. We now need to upload this to our WordPress. We'll now select the image. We'll now save and publish. That's how you create and upload a favicon to WordPress.